Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen and happy holidays. So today I will be showing you how to season a turkey, or I'm seasoning my turkey for our Christmas Eve dinner, and this is kind of the Europeans. We always celebrate Christmas on the 24th, so I'm kind of doing a German style of how to season a turkey. So stick around. You want to definitely check that out. So let's season our turkey. But before you season the turkey, the best thing to do is rinse the little bird off, and yeah, and then we'll season them up. But definitely put them in the sink and rinse them off, and then we'll start seasoning our turkey. All right, so we got some Italian steak spice. We're gonna toss some of that stuff in there. It's always pretty good on turkey. Italian seasoning. Fresh herbs are always good to add too. And add some garlic. Or sorry, onion powder. A touch of garlic powder for her too. To make sure you get it like all the way on the inside. Okay, there we go. All right. Onion powder. Italian seasoning too. All right. Don't forget to get them on the outside too. That's pretty all right. Make sure he's all seasoned up nicely. And show you the next step. Yeah, so for the fresh herbs was rosemary, sage, thyme. We had some onion powder and some few other things that I explained before. Now we're going to take I'm tossing some apples in there. This is a German style. Toss some apples in there. Some onions. Just in the middle of inside the little turkey here. All right. Onions in there. Oh, yeah, there we go. Get the onions all in there. Right. Kind of a different style for me for the onions and the apples, but good, cool. Give it a try. All right. Pretty stuffed in there. Right. Oh. All right. Yeah. Put some onions in here. Never waste onions, eh? A lot of flavor. Probably good flavor for the gravy. Alright, so we just toss the garlic cloves everywhere. Boom. Now I'll show you a trick. We're actually going to start him upside down. Oh, we can get some more seasoning on there too. Alright. On the other side. Working fast here because I'm kind of behind. Not really, but you want to be eating like around 5. Add some lemon, and then she is going into the oven, and we're gonna put them at I think it's 325 for 3.5 hours, and pretty much halfway through, so about an hour and a half in. I'm going to flip the turkey over, and we're going to finish them on the other side. And you might wonder why I would do a turkey upside down. Well, all the juices flow down, right? So all the juices are actually won't dry out the breast. So this is a really good technique, and it's never really failed me. Like, I've done turkeys like that, and you don't have to worry about the skin. It always stays like intact, and it's usually a beautiful turkey. So we're just going to do it that way. And yeah, I'm just going to toss some lemon on there, and we're tossing her in the oven. Just squeeze some lemon on there, just like so. Did another one like this, so boom, and just toss it right in the pan. And I'm also going to add some chicken stock, and then it's going to go in the oven 3.5 hours, and then let her rest, and we can have turkey. Yay! Yeah, and the reason I add stock to it because you want to get a nice gravy, so that's important. Not a lot of stock, but fair amount. I always have lots of stock on hand, so that's always a good thing. Yeah, so the oven's preheating and then ready to throw her in. I'm all worried because I'm just a touch behind, but we'll be all right. And of course, I'm making my famous stuffing, so cool. Turkey in the oven. Been in there close to an hour and a half, so it's a real, maybe a touch under that, but it's a good time to flip them over. So timing in my head, so there we go. Flipping the bird over right here, so clearing space because flip her over. Actually, let's look at it in there. I think we're probably okay. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Hopefully you saw most of that, but holy, flipping the bird over with the stuffed, but it was easy to get it in, so I was kind of more worried than was really necessary. Oh, necessary. So let's see. Look at that beautiful breast there. It's perfect, really. Then I'll maybe come back with a little story. No, I was talking about turkeys. So my responsibility as a meat cutter is turkey, and I have to make sure that the cases are full, and we're selling turkeys. And I'm Sean Beaumont, and my job is I'm a certified meat cutter. And my job is to make sure everyone has their turkey for the holidays, and that's my job, really. And that's been my job for 25 years, give or take. We can minus 5 years for cooking, but it's I think those two skills are pretty awesome. So here, yeah. So as a butcher, your responsibility, or a meat cutter, your responsibility during the holidays is making sure that everyone gets their awesome turkey for the holiday season, and that's really awesome. And I'm glad to be a part of that. It's pretty special, really. So there's a little meat cutter butcher story for you, because it's really important to make sure everyone gets their turkey for the holiday season, and that's my responsibility at my job at work. Turkey resting, cooked. So you want to rest it for a bit, and then while the turkey's resting, I'm going to make the gravy. So I'm learning lots about gravy. So if you want a really good turkey gravy, take all this good stuff in here, which is all the fond from the turkey. It's been roasting for a while, so you definitely want that, eh? So you just kind of let it kind of heat up and scrape that out. Now we're gonna drain it into a pot. Took all the goodness gravy out of there, so we're just gonna strain this out here. You always want that good stuff in there. That makes for good gravy. Add a little some sugar. Trying to cut the salt a little bit. It's a bit of a concentrated gravy, and that was like very little salt added to it. So yeah, so we're just gonna cook that out. And of course, we're going to put some lemon here. Again, skin. All that lovely stuff floating to the top, you don't want that in there. It's the opposite of lovely. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy holidays. Can't wait to do the next one. And don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe.